Hey guys, it's Fisayo here, and this is my unboxing of the TECNO Camon CM. So if you haven't seen it yet, I made a first impressions video of the TECNO Camon CM which got a lot of positive responses and feedback as well. So at the launch event, I took a quick look at the TECNO Camon CM and we did a quick hands-on with it. But in this video, we're going to be seeing what exactly is inside the box, and we're giving away the TECNO Camon CM to one lucky subscriber. So please make sure you like and share this video, and also make sure you're subscribed to the channel. By we, I mean I and Kagan, and Kagan is a very dope cinematographer and colorist, and also a tech YouTuber as well. So make sure you check out both our channels. The link is in the description, and the link to the giveaway is in the description. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So first things first, we'll unbox the TECNO Camon CM, and it pretty much has the same TECNO standard packaging. When you open the box, the first thing you're greeted with is the Camon CM, and TECNO is quick to remind you of the 18:9 aspect ratio, but we'll be getting to the phone in a second. Inside the box, like many mid to high-end TECNO phones, you have the gift box, and inside the gift box you have your 12 plus 1 month warranty, your Boomplay music subscription, your user manuals, and a conformity card with a code. You also get a rubber case that's very nice and soft. I can do this all day. You also have the power adapter, which I'm not sure is a quick charge one, and you're getting a charging cable. You also have the standard TECNO headphones that come with almost all the TECNO phones. And last but not least, we have the SIM ejector tool. Now, taking the plastic off the front of the Camon CM, we are greeted with the glossy 5.7-inch 18:9 aspect ratio display, which has pretty thin side bezels. There's also a little plastic screen protector, and that's adding to the reflection, but it doesn't hinder anything here. And taking the plastic off the back of the phone, we are also greeted with a premium looking finish here. I got this Camon CM in champagne gold, however it comes in a few other colors, specifically the city blue and the sort of matte black, which I used in my first impressions video, and it overall looked better to me. However, there's no denying that the finish on the champagne gold is very well done. Setting up the Camon CM took only a few minutes, and it's just the standard setup. I didn't notice anything in the setup process until the fingerprint scanner. It wasn't the fastest, and I missed a few times, but it still gets better eventually. So here is the Camon CM in all its 18:9 glory, and it actually looks like a well put together design for this phone. My first impressions using it here and off the counter is just okay. The layout is clean from the normal iOS you're familiar with that runs Android 7.0. Going in light with what I said in my first impressions video, the Camon CM is very light and, dare I say, comfortable to hold. And you can't deny it looks like a popular flagship with those antenna lines. So far, the design is a go for me. So now that we have the design out of the way, there's still a lot to be said about the usability of this phone and the specs that we're getting here. To be honest, a lot of people aren't quite impressed with the specs on this device, and I think there's an argument for that. On the one hand, you have a massive display that TECNO is pushing as a more modern 2018-esque feature, and on the other hand, the price is somewhat justifiable for the specs, but overall it would have been better to see a 3GB RAM and at least 32GB storage, and I think that would be convincing to make it a more recommendable phone. The Camon CM has a 30-megapixel camera on both sides, and the photos look just okay. The aperture isn't shallow, but overall these images and the selfies as well were okay in low light, and I'll be testing them more myself later for the review video. Also, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below as well. Moving on to the display, we have an LED panel that's 1440 by 720p, which is nice for viewing videos, especially those in 18:9. The Camon CM has a downward facing speaker, and here's what it sounds like. The Gorilla Glass screen, which would help durability. It's quite the slim phone at 5.6mm despite packing a 3000 mAh battery. On the right side of the phone, we have the volume rockers and the power button. Rounding up, and this is just an opinion that I've gathered over time, that the Camon series lineup might be deviating, but let's not get ahead of ourselves here. Let's see what TECNO has in store for 2018. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Is the Camon CM worth it? I can't really tell you that completely right now because I have to spend a couple of days with this phone for the full review. So please drop a comment down below. Please leave a comment if you have anything you want to see in the full review or any question you might have. Also, guys, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. There's a link in the description if you want to win the Camon CM. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.